Ready to cluck your way to success? Let's hatch a plan for a thriving poultry farm, focusing on essential resources. Firstly, what exactly is a Murgi farm? Since the original query lacks specifics, we'll interpret this as a general guide to starting a chicken farm. Our focus dives into the fundamentals to create a profitable venture. Step 1. Location. Research ideal climates and market access. Consider land costs, zoning regulations, and proximity to feed suppliers and potential customers. Do thorough research on location so you are prepared. Next, select your chicken breed. Decide whether you want broiler chickens for meat or layer hens for eggs, or a mix. Research the best breeds for your geographic area and budget. Consider egg production, meat quality, and disease resistance. Time to construct housing. This is crucial for health, safety, and chicken welfare. Design and build a coop with adequate space per bird. Include proper ventilation, lighting, and protection from predators. Think about manure management. Now, source your essential resources. These include high-quality feed, fresh water, and necessary medications. Invest in proven supplements to enhance the bird's immune support. It is important to provide a balanced diet. Marketing and managing chickens. Plan your sales strategy from day one. Decide on your target market, individual consumers, restaurants, or wholesalers. Manage production costs by monitoring bird health and feed inputs. Opening a chicken farm is challenging work and requires time and dedication. Implement efficient management strategies, and you'll be one step closer to success. Don't forget to subscribe for more farm guides.